All right, we are at the JW Marriott Grand Lakes Resort in Orlando. I got Daniel over here, and we're gonna go ride the elevators. In Orlando, the Grand Lakes one. I know. Here are the elevators. We want to go on the high-rise ones. There's your grand staircase there. 12 through 26.
Should we go down first? These are series 4.
Yes. From 2003.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I know. Look at the cabs.
Yeah. Let's go down to the ground.
Look at the arrows.
Oh, there's an arrow. We'll go to 26.
You do the Annas?
Beautiful. I don't want to. Oops, there we go. I don't want
Here we go.
So I'm at the top. Early Series 4.
Yep.
That's fast.
You're on 26.
Beautiful.
We'll get another ride.
Alright. When we're on the express zone, I'm going to get a cab view. Beautiful.
There's your light fixture. There's Daniel.
There's your fixtures.
Yep.
Watch the button go out.
We'll go
26.
26.
Going up?
Yep.
Which floor?
18, please.
18.
80 phone.
As well? Yes,
Yes.
I am. Alright. We're just taking a video of the elevator.
Okay.
Yeah. Put that light up there.
Right. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Want to get off and get a view?
Sure. Here at 26.
26. You can hear the generators.
Beautiful. Oh, we can look through there. I don't want to mess with the window or anything like that.
Yeah, we'll just go down. Well,
Let's take a look.
here's a look at the hallway.
Yeah. This is a hallway. Here, oh, we're at the end of the hallway. Beautiful. These are very beautiful elevators.
They are.
Here's your Otis projecting fixture.
Yep. Same call stations. Series 2 and 4 share call stations.
Same thing, the newer ones, except they light up blue.
The older ones do. The newer one's different. Oh, chime doesn't work.
Oh, this one. You can go in first. Let's look down the shadow.
Down to lobby. I'm gonna try to get both indicators. Very nice elevators.
Beautiful. And I highly doubt there will be leveling.
Oh, there was a little bit.
Oh, there's a little close.
And there it goes. That's it.